Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oukitel OKT1 tablet, and in this video we will show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. As you can see, from here you want to open up the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear icon, just right here, or we can also go to the settings, find the system category of it, languages and input. Here go for the on-screen keyboard, Gboard, and at the Gboard settings page, just choose preferences. And in here, just turn on this number row switch, and as you can see now, that will effectively mean that the separate number line, the separate number row has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.